Okay, so I just woke up and I'm sitting in Reagan's room and she's leaving today.
Very sad.
So sad. And it's like they like lock our doors and stuff, so our RA is coming to check her out. And it is 8:51. I'm just really sad.
I know.
It's so weird.
9 minutes.
Yeah, she's leaving in 9 minutes. Me and Alexa have to stay until Tuesday, and it's only Friday. What? It's Friday?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Your
I'm really
cousins are coming
sad.
out?
Yep, my cousins are coming now. I'm excited.
Okay, so I am about to make my bed, and then once Emily gets out of the bathroom, I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm going to clean, so I'll probably do like a montage, and then I'm gonna get ready. I've got a lot of stuff on my to-do list to do, so let's just get this morning started, and I'm jamming out with some vertical worship. Holding fast to the promise of the truth. Okay, so as you can see, I have done my makeup and now I'm about to do my hair, and I am partnering with Vanity Planet for this portion of the video. You guys have heard me talk about Vanity Planet's products before. You know I love their like facial spa thing. I literally use it every single day, and so today I'm going to be using their Flow straightener, which is like a brush straightener. This is the box that it comes in, and this is what it looks like. I love it, and even though my hair is pretty straight, it's frizzy, and heat helps like tame the frizz. Like as you can see, it's just like there, you know, it looks just not great. Just turn it on with the power button. You hold it down and then you can turn up the temperature. I always put mine on the hottest just because it works faster, and I'm usually a gal on the go. So as always, I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Jaclyn Flow. This will get you 60% off, and if you purchase before Christmas, you can get even more money off. So if you're looking for something to either get somebody or to ask for yourself, this will make a great Christmas gift because it's just easy and it makes your routine a lot easier, and you guys know I'm all about convenience and easiness. So I will have everything linked down below, the link that you need to get it, my coupon code, everything that you need to know will be in the description box. I just take a piece of hair and I just brush it. It's literally the most convenient thing ever. I love it. Like, look how much calmer that is. Ah. Okay, so I just finished my head. Like, tell me that is not so convenient and fast. I literally did that in less than 5 minutes. So I absolutely love this product. Once again, I will have everything linked down below. You can use the code JaclynFlow to get 60% off. This is literally going to be a great gift if you want to ask for it for Christmas or anything like that. I really love it, and of course I recommend everything that I love. And I'm going to continue cleaning today, and then I'm going to go meet my friend for lunch. Okay, so I'm almost ready to go. This is what I'm wearing. I'm doing my regular necklaces, and then I've got this necklace from Altered State along with this like sweater from Altered State. I love the little pocket, and it's so soft. I got it off Dote, so if you want to use my $5 off code, it's just Jaclyn, you can get $5 off your first purchase. And then I'm wearing American Eagle jeans and my little duck boots. So I say my friend, I've actually never met this girl before. Through my local church, I'm trying to get with a mentor, so that's who she's gonna be. I'm really excited because I just really love like pouring into people, but I haven't been able to pour into people because nobody's been pouring into me, and so I feel really drained. So I'm really excited to start this, and I know it will be really awesome, so I'm pumped. Okay guys, I just got back from meeting with her. We both got parking tickets because we were there way longer than we thought. We met there at 1 and left at 4. Like, this is such a blessing that I've been like praying just for somebody that I can connect with and like that I like and that loves Jesus. Like I love Jesus, like radically, not just like go to church and then you live your life. And I could tell this girl's an answered prayer. I'm so thankful for her. So that was like, oh my gosh. I'm just sad that it's the end of the semester because I'm gonna have to wait until January to meet back up with her. But that is just so awesome. It's just an answered prayer. I'm so thankful. So I'm gonna continue cleaning. Miles and Abigail are gonna be here really soon, so I need to finish cleaning because that took way longer than I thought. But like, I'm not complaining, I'm very thankful. And look at my hair, guys. I'm amazed at this brush. I love it. Like, it just looks so nice, and it took me 2 minutes. Love it. Okay, so I'm going down right now to go get Miles and Abigail. They're parking on the street. So I'm pumped. I'm so excited. It is currently 5:30. They made it here like right on time. They've never been to my college before, so I'm gonna give them like a tour and just, yeah, I'm just pumped. Let's see, he's parallel parking and that's really hard to do. Oh, he redid it. I'm vlogging. About 30 minutes later, he finally did it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Did you feel safe with him? I'm just kidding, I'm kidding. Did it feel like a long drive?
No, it went by really fast.
Yeah, it's really not bad.
Yes. So we decided to come to Champy's.
Guys, how's it going?
Good. Okay, now we're walking to the pod. They've never been to a pod before, so they're about to figure out what it's like to be a college student. Ah!
Not excited. Hey, Jaclyn, can I show your vlog?
No! Okay, so in a past video, Alexa talked about Oreos and peanut butter.
She's never tried it.
I've never tried it. Everybody's like, you need to try it. So,
Her world is about to change.
we're about to do a taste test. Got the peanut butter. Alexa, how do we do this?
Well, two ways. You can do it on top, or you can open it up and put it in the middle.
What's
I just
the
eat it
best?
on top because I'm lazy.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
I feel like in the middle would be better though.
We'll try it both ways. Have it twice.
And they've never tried this either.
Nope.
So
They are better with double stuffed Oreos, but it's okay.
Oh. Okay.
I mean,
That. We're acting like this is some crazy thing
like,
no one's ever
all
done.
That, yeah. Yeah.
I'm taking it right now.
We're trying together. We're in this together.
You were awful at this.
Ready?
I already know what your reaction's gonna be.
That is actually really good.
See?
That is weird, but it's good.
It is really good.
I really thought you'd be like, I mean, it's good, but like, I want to eat it.
That's
Yeah.
what Reagan said last night about my pad thai. I like it, but I don't know if I'd be like.
I told you. I knew exactly what was gonna come. I mean, it's not bad, but like, it's not something I'm gonna eat again. Like,
No,
I
I'd
don't
eat it
understand why you're
again,
so
but I
obsessed with it. It
wouldn't.
didn't like change my world.
But I wouldn't crave it. Okay, so now we're all playing categories.
I just had.
It wasn't focused, so I think it's okay. I don't know. My camera's been acting real weird. Now it's focused.
15 or list 16?
16. I'm really bad at this game, guys. Alexa is the champ. Abigail came in last. And I don't even know what we got. Hey, I only got 9, so.
I got 8, so I got 11. I don't like this game.
Yeah, it usually takes a lot for me to do well in it.
Anyone wants to know, Jaclyn thought Spain was in South Africa.
No, I didn't. I knew it was in Europe.
did.
I knew it was in Europe, but the map made it look like it was.
Why is you thought it was in South America.
I put blue
Sorry.
Gatorade in it.
Did you really?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Crystal Light.
Is it, no, it's one of those cups that change colors.
Yeah.
It is one of the cups that change colors.
it's
you just
green
moved it and drink it. Okay.
It tastes really good.
It's a color changing cup. Yeah, I told you.
Bye, vlog.
She's quitting YouTube.
Vlog.
She hates you all.
You heard it there first,
Thank you
people.
to all the people who subscribed. We will see you tomorrow.
For
Don't worry.
Vlogmas Day 8.
Notification
Back.
squad.
Yeah, be sure to be on the notification squad and the hashtag Jaclyn Brookers.
Turn the bell on.
Yeah,
turn
turn
the
that
bell
bell on.
And she'll make merch.
And yeah, and I'll make some merch. Subscribe
If this-
down below.
if this-
Smash that like button.
Hey, if the video
What would
tomorrow
your
gets
Oh gosh.
100,000 likes, Jaclyn will make her own Jaclyn Brook merch. You heard it here first.
I haven't even ever thought about that.
Rubber Ducky Squad.
Rubber Ducky Squad. It's funny. I don't know if you guys know who that is,
Yeah.
but we were talking about them today.
Are you gonna put this?
Should I? Is that weird? Watch a movie. What is it?
Kidnap.
We're gonna watch Kidnap and then.
Kind of a dark movie. I feel
No,
like.
it's not dark. It's just like
It's
suspenseful.
interesting.
It's not scary. It's just like on edge. That's what I like.
Okay.
So that's what we're gonna watch. Said I like it.
Look at
like
this house
that.
that's in my town.
I want another Oreo.
I want to go
Your
see
town?
Let's go. Okay. Anyway, bye guys.
All the